Go.
Good day, everyone. I am Andy Elbora, a student of Las Piñas North National High School. Today, I will share you how ICT or Information and Communication Technology helps me in my everyday life.
Go.
As a student, ICT plays a big role in my studies. Whenever I have assignments or projects, I use the internet to search for reliable information. Online platforms like Google Classroom help me receive my instructions from my teachers and submit my schoolwork on time. Watching educational videos on YouTube also helps me understand my lessons better.
Go.
ICT also helps me communicate with my teachers and classmates through messaging apps like Messenger. I can ask questions, send files, and receive quick responses. Even when I'm at home, I can still stay connected and work with others easily.
Go.
Outside of school, ICT makes my daily life more convenient. I can pay bills, order food, and shop online without having to leave my house. For leisure, I can watch movies, listen to music, and play games to relax after a long day.
And go.
In conclusion, ICT is a big part of my life. It helps me not only with my education but also in communication and making my daily tasks easier. Because of ICT, my life as a student becomes more manageable, productive, and enjoyable.